I'm just gonna start shooting him. Hey, this is I'm Lance, owner of Big Fork. You got the Chicago sauce. We're here at Budacki's. It's National Hot Dog Day. I'm here with Marcus, and I just bought him a classic hot dog, Chicago hot dog, and then one that's plain. I'm gonna have him try the Chicago sauce, and we're just gonna get his reaction. So here you go, bud. Eat away. By the way, I just met Marcus about 5 minutes ago. So he's not a paid actor. He is a lover of Chicago hot dogs. All right, that was the Chicago sauce hot dog. What do you think?
Got all the flavors there.
Yeah, and all yeah. I mean, it's not supposed to replace it, but it's like
That's got good flavor.
you get all the flavor. It's almost easier to eat, huh? Because it
The
doesn't.
relish, the mustard.
Yeah.
Which I like.
Yeah.
Try them.
Now try one. Now try it in contrast. Try it with the Chicago dog, the classic. Oh yeah, get a sip of RC first. Now it's all 7 toppings there. You got the sport peppers on top.
Yep. And everything on there.
Yeah. All right. What do you think?
I think got it. It's similar.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Awesome.
Thumbs up, man.
Well, thank you, Marcus. All right. Happy National Hot Dog Day. We'll see you guys soon.